How to clear cache in Google Chrome. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your browser, Chrome browser, and then on your top right corner, go to this three dot line. Now, here you will see the option of delete browsing data. You can either tap on it, click on it, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut key that is Ctrl plus Shift plus del or delete. Click on it. Now, simply select cached images and files. If you want these cookies and other site data, download history, browsing data as well, simply select these and then tap on delete data. Now your cached images and files are deleted. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.